Sammy.
Have you heard about 궁중 떡볶이? 궁중 means lower cold. Long time ago, people in lower cold used to have the cuisine. It's completely different with spicy rice cake. It's based on soy sauce, so kids really like it. Do you want me to tell my simple and yummy recipe? I would love to. Soak the dried shiitake mushrooms with sugar in warm water for about 30 minutes. You can use any part of beef. Remove the blood with paper towel and cut the beef into thick strips. Let's marinate. Around 1 tablespoon soy sauce, pepper, grated sesame seeds, and Korean cooking oil, bidim. We call it bidim. Half tablespoon sugar, half tablespoon sesame oil. And mix them all. Next part is 떡볶이 sauce, minced garlic, 1 or 2. Grate 1/3 of apple. Don't peel it. Five tablespoons soy sauce. About 3 tablespoons honey or corn syrup. Pepper. Grated sesame seed. A bit of salt. And mix well. Slice onion. Slice the carrot into circles. And the others will be a half moon. Good, good. Sorry you can't be a star. And with cookie cutter, press down. Just pressing down. That's all. Then we can have 2 stars. Squeeze water out. Cut the lower part of mushrooms. And slice them. Let's make some egg garnish. Yeah, it happens. Try again. Cool. With a bit of salt. We are ready. On lower heat, cooking oil, and wipe it off with paper towel. An egg. Turn it over when it looks cooked. With your chopstick, gently. Egg white is more difficult to turn it over. Gently. Yeah, I did. Turn up the heat and just leave it for a while. We need 400-gram rice cake, store-bought by the way. Over medium-high heat, stir-fry the meat first with some cooking oil. Lovely color. When it turns to light brown, put carrots. Onion. A bit more cooking oil. Fry until the onions become a little transparent. Turn to high heat. 2 cups water. Pour all of the sauce we made, rice cake, and shiitake mushrooms. Mix them well and cover up. Just leave it for about 5 minutes. While it's cooking, cut the egg like this. It's garnish. It should be pretty. shape. Do the same thing. After 5 minutes, open it. Wow, beautiful light brown. Check out the rice cake is well cooked. Well cooked. Lastly, turn to the high heat and sesame oil. About 1.5 tablespoons. Done. This smell makes me fat. Pretty. Put egg garnish. Trust me, kids gonna fall in love with this Korean dish. Enjoy, and I love you all!